Alright guys, welcome to Because We Can. Quick, short, down and dirty redneck video for you today. So, I'm actually in the middle of a project right now. I need to weld in a closed space. So I said, well, it's about time I buy one of them helmets that have the hose and the fan and all that. Until I saw the price. Screw that. Holy, I don't have $2,000 laying around. So, we got here is a DeWalt pull bag that I found in my safety thing there. I removed the drawstrings off of it, cut a hole, taped it a welding visor, and I cut the strings off it so while I'm welding, Alex or the wife can't tighten them and strangle my ass. So inside here, just the Tupperware, tape the filter to there. We're going to install a furnace filter in here. I want to see how often the wife watches our videos because this is her hair blow dryer and I have not told her. Remove the heating element, stick it out, PVC. Plugs in. You know, I'm going to plug it in so I got fresh air right away. And that stupid plug. Bam!